So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So, today's opportunities is a golden one. So, if you are passionate about, data, digital product management, and making a difference with a global giant like American Express, then this is the one which one right fit for you because American Express is hiring for the role of associate into digital product management in Bengaluru or Gurugram location, which is for two locations, and this might be the the game changing role for you. So stick around because I will be walking you through the every details you need to know, like eligibility criteria, skills needed, tools, benefits, and how you can apply. But before diving into details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates and career tips, and also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload a new video. So now let's dive into these wonderful opportunities. So as you can see, the job is of associate level, and associate means of 0 to 2 years of experience people can apply. And this is into product management role, which is again into the core of heart and core of the company. You will be basically involved into productions and product team. So let's understand a little bit about the company before diving into the rules and the details about that. So basically, American Express or Amex is a globally trusted name in financial services. So they are known for not just for credit cards but also for powering incredible digital experiences and data-driven decisions. So if you want to work in a tech-driven culture with purpose and global impact, then this could be the right place for you. So what's the role all about? So you'll be a part of AIML, AML basically data capabilities team, which focuses on anti-money laundering, transactions monitoring. Sounds intense, right? So it's a critical, meaningful role in fighting with financial crime through the data engineering, digital transformation, and analytics. So this is all about role overview, and now let's discuss the key responsibilities for this role. So as you can see, your responsibilities they are mentioned over here. So as a associate and to digital product, your roles and responsibilities is going to be like building and maintaining organized data layers for production and analytics, along with managing big data integrations from multiple sources with 100% accuracy goals. You'll also be involved into collaborating with tech and strategy team to build intelligent solutions, driving data automations, quality checks, and scalable systems. You'll also be involved into using tools like SQL, Hive, Hadoop, ideally Python or PySpark for integrating data or fetching the data and trying to work on the data. So you basically you'll be using all these tools and technologies. You'll also be working in agile environments and global stakeholder collaborations. So these are the going to be your key responsibilities area where you will be working once you join American Express as digital product associate. So eligibility criteria for this particular role is going to be like, okay, so they have mentioned the minimum qualification. As you can see, the minimum qualification for this role is going to be like a bachelor degree. As I mentioned, freshers with good skills are eligible. So bachelor degree with 0 to 2 years of experience with strong knowledge of SQL, high big data platforms like Hadoop and other things, and understanding of data architectures and engineering concepts along with communication skills, which is a must. So you'll be collaborating across countries, so you must have a very good communication skill, both verbal and written. Plus, knowledge of Python programming language or PySpark is again a big bonus because you will basically working into pipelining and integrating the data. So you must have the knowledge of at least a big data one tool, either of PySpark, Hadoop, or both is fine. So yeah, this was all about that, and now let's understand why once you join or consider applying for American Express. So at American Express, this is not going to be just another job; it's going to be a career platform for you people because the perks and benefits at American Express is outstanding. You're gonna get a hybrid working model with competitive base salary plus performance bonus as well. You'll also get dental, medical, visions, and wellness programs along with paid parental leaves and other benefits. So career training, upskilling opportunities, and global exposures are another part of its benefits, which is again going to be the best in the industry. So at Amex, you will be seen, heard, and empowered. So it's a culture where your contributions matters a lot. So yeah, this was all about that opportunities. So how you can apply? Just head to the direct link in description. We have mentioned a direct link for this particular opportunity to apply. So head over there and apply as soon as possible before the deadline, which they haven't mentioned again, but it might end anytime soon. So try to apply as soon as possible. So yeah, this was all about. I would also like to give some small resume tips. So try to highlight your SQL, big data, Python skills, AML or data project experience, which can showcase that you are ready to work in a global agile environment. So yeah, try to add all these things because chances will increase if you do so. So yeah, this was for this particular important hiring. So if you are ready to build the future of digital product management with American Express, and if you found this helpful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon for more job updates, resume tips, and career hacks because we bring three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also you can drop a comment if you are applying or need any help in preparing. I will reply to everyone personally. And also you can join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities where we are sending more and more jobs for your benefits. So yeah, this was all about that. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.